Wisdom, one plumber. Greetings. Making a solvent welded joint is quick and easy. Get the pipe, get the fitting that you want to glue, get the material. This is solvent cement. This is solvent cleaner. Always start with the fitting. Clean the inside of the fitting. Clean the outside of the pipe. The gluing. So always remember to wipe off the excess glue. This is how we do it. Wipe off the excess. Want the minimal running as possible. Glue the inside of the fitting. Glue the outside of the pipe. Insert both pipe and fitting together. Give a quarter turn and hold for 5 seconds. The joint is now made. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and also leave your comments. Wisdom again, the plumber. Enjoy.